Whoever is involved with food safety has to know what is in foods. At the Federal Institute for Risk Assessment, we address the question of what we ingest along with our food in Germany. The BfR-MEAL study is one of the ways we are hoping to find answers to this. 100 seconds BfR, the BfR-MEAL study.
MEAL steht als Abkürzung für Mahlzeiten.
MEAL is the German acronym for Meals for the Exposure Estimation and Analysis of Foods. In this study, we analyze systematically and comprehensively the average quantities in which substances are contained in food. This includes health-promoting substances, such as nutrients and vitamins, as well as undesired substances, such as dioxins, heavy metals, and natural plant ingredients.
Oder natürliche Pflanzeninhaltsstoffe.
The special thing about the study is that we prepare the food in the same way that consumers actually eat it. Overall, we're examining more than 90% of the foods typically eaten in Germany. When buying the food, we orientate on the latest market data and studies that already exist on the consumption of food in Germany. By doing so, we are reflecting representative purchasing behavior in Germany. The purchased foods are compiled into groups, so-called pooled samples. A pool consists here of many individual samples of a certain food. If appropriate, pooled samples are drawn for a food in order to examine differences per season, cultivation method or region. Based on this, we will be able to see, for example, whether the concentration of substances in milk are different in summer and winter, whether there are differences between organically and conventionally cultivated fruit, or in bread from different regions. We prepare the foods in the BfR-MEAL study in the same way that they are actually eaten, because foods change during preparation too. And some substances, such as vitamins, can be destroyed, while others can be formed during preparation. We prepare the foods in our kitchen, homogenize them into the above-mentioned pools, and examine them in contract laboratories with regard to their ingredients. The BfR-MEAL study is scheduled to run for a total of 7 years and is being funded by the German Federal Ministry of Food and Agriculture. We will keep you informed about the results at regular intervals and issue recommendations for politics, manufacturers and consumers. With the data acquired in the BfR-MEAL study, we will be able to recognize food crises even better in future and help to avoid them.